लाइट ग्रे है डार्क ग्रे?
तू आ जा इधर बताता हूँ कितना ग्रे है। मेरी जैकेट जैसा ग्रे है।
अच्छा ग्रे होगा सर. I'm looking forward. Ajay sir, almost a year ago you were a part of the milestone launch of Disney Plus Hotstar Multiplex, and today you join us for another milestone in your life, your digital debut. तो कैसे आपने हाँ कर दिया डिजिटल डेब्यू के लिए, डिजिटल स्पेस पे आने के लिए? कैसे
एक एक्टर के लिए it's not actually the space, it's about the content. He really wants to do good work, and he really wants people to see his work, appreciate it, yes, if not also, but he wants them to see. So I think today digital space is so huge, and it is just going to grow. And the kind of people watching it, I think the reach is tremendous. And with people like Gaurav and the team, the whole creative team, like Gaurav said, that we need a real good creative team, like Nikhil and his team, they're all doing a great job here. So when you have good content to do, when you hear about good content, like good content, I think that's what excites you. Then it doesn't matter where you are and what you do. It's just your work and me.
सर आपने फूल और कांटे में 2 बाइक पे एंट्री मारी थी जब आपका फिल्मों में डेब्यू हुआ था. फिर सन ऑफ सरदार में आपने 2 घोड़े पे एंट्री मारी, गोलमाल में 2 कार पे. तो अब ओटीटी पे आपका डेब्यू हो रहा है, तो किस पे चढ़ के फिर आप इस बार एंट्री मारने वाले हैं?
यार जैसा कि मैंने कहा कि ये शो बहुत ही ज्यादा ग्रिटी और रियलिस्टिक है, तो इस वक्त तो मैं अपनी दोनों टांगों पे ही आ रहा हूँ. आगे कुछ चांस मिलेगा तो तेरे दोनों कंधों पे आऊंगा.
सर दोनों टांगों पे देखिए, सेंसेशनल मिस्टर अजय देवगन पहली बार अपनी दोनों टांगों पे फिल्म में एंट्री मारेंगे. Speaking of Rudra, The Edge of Darkness, I'm curious as to how it came about, Mr. Banerjee. Do you want to shed some light on it further?
Yeah, sure. I think there is a British show that Ajay has just confessed that he had seen much before I spoke to him, and so had I. And I think the writing really worked for us. It was extremely real, and we felt that an Indian adaptation will ring true, because some of the anger, some of the frustration that is there in this show is echoed in the times that we are living in today. And we felt that, you know, in the city where we live, Mumbai, some of this will get translated and adapted beautifully. Honestly, I must also confess that this would not have been possible without Ajay, because this actor who is at the center of this storyline does a lot of things which are wrong, which are on the edge, where in within that scene, if you just look at it superficially, you will not like this person. But Ajay has this incredible quality that even when he's deeply angry, there is an emotion in his eyes that make this country give him a second chance, and sometimes weep for him.
And thank you, Mr. Banerjee, for being with us here today. And can't wait to see more of these fantastic shows. Thank you so much.